This is how to report a fake profile on Facebook. Do you have a profile using your image on Facebook, disguising as you? This is how to report a fake profile on Facebook. Just before we go straight into this video, it might interest you to subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of our recent updates. With that being said, let's go straight into it. So let's head straight for the Facebook app. Now on the Facebook app, you want to search, okay? You want to search for the account. So let's assume, all right, so I'm just going to search a random name, okay? So let's just search a random name. So let's use James. Okay, let's see, random James, and just okay, so let's take this James. So now, assuming this is the fake account you want to report, now we can see three buttons displaying just before us on the screen, just before you on the screen, and you can see it has friends, message, and there's three dots. So there's a three dots with a smaller box. So click on the three dots in a smaller box and expand it. So as you can see, it says report profile. So you click on report profile and it loads up. So it asks you what do you want to report. All right. If someone is in immediate danger, get help before reporting to Facebook. Don't wait. Now, something about this page, a specific post. So you want to report something about the page, all right, or you want to report a specific post. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let's just go for something about the page. So now here is another interface where it has been expanded. All right, what you want to report about, what exactly you are reporting about the profile. All right, so it has options like problem involving someone under 18, bullying, and the likes. Okay, as you can see them all here, they are listed here. So you just get to click on any of these options, and if it's nothing among these options, then you click on something else. All right. So it says thanks for letting us know, and basically that is it. Click on done. So I'm not going to click on done. So just go back and trust me, this is how it works. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and I will be seeing you in some other videos. Bye.